Hey everyone, it's Magical Mom Laura, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the Grand Floridian main pool and splash pad. We recently stayed at the Grand Floridian when it was being remodeled, and usually I do a pros and cons on resorts at Disney, but I decided to wait because we are luckily going to be staying here again soon. So look for a full pros and cons video coming in January of 2024. Wow, that sounds weird to say. Can't believe it's going to be 2024 soon. When we were there in July, the main pool opened at 10 a.m. We were there about 5 minutes early, and I think they opened the gates at 9:57 a.m. So the pool overlooks the Seven Seas Lagoon, which is the lake in front of Magic Kingdom, and it is so gorgeous. There's my husband waiting. He's telling me it's not open yet. So they have a beach down there with lots of different games you can play with. And then they also have a fire pit in front, and at night they do s'mores down there. Because it was early, there was no one around, so I got some good video of no one around, and this was my favorite spot. I have a 5-year-old daughter. This is completely fenced in. They have slides, splash, no steps, perfect for toddlers and preschoolers, and a little Connect 4 there in the corner. And you don't have to worry about them running off, which is a big deal at this age. The main pool here at Grand Floridian has a beautiful grotto, which a large, long slide wraps around, and my daughter did that a million times. It has zero entry, a pool bar and grill, and great views of the monorail. While I absolutely love this pool, one of the big negatives for me was these paddings and loungers were kind of mid-grade, I would say, but they did have wonderful views. We got front row seat to the pool, and it's nice to get some video of no one in. And then over they have complimentary, different sized life jackets. So that was really great for my daughter to have. She could just go up and down the slide and we didn't have to worry. But trust me, these lifeguards are on it at Disney. One thing I didn't get a video of, but was really nice, are the men's and women's changing rooms and restrooms. They had so many amenities in there. They were so nice. They had full showers, so if you wanted to shower after the pool, you could. They had these beautiful cabanas set up if that's something you wanted to spend extra money on. The pool bar and grill was not open yet, but here is the menu. We did order some drinks, I think. Did we order drinks later? I can't remember if we ate anything from here. But they have a pretty good menu. It says 2 drinks per person. And then my daughter wanted to check out the play area, which is for under 4 feet tall. As you can tell, it's Alice in Wonderland themed. So adorable. She really spent a lot of time here running around while my husband, I think he had a cocktail over at the pool while we checked this area out. It's a beautiful area, and I mean, just look at that view next to the Grand Floridian. As you can see, there are touches of Mary Poppins around. The grill finally opened up and we grabbed some water, complimentary water that they had out, and the pool was really starting to fill up by this point. I really love this pool. I love that they have that slide for my daughter. She's a huge fan of slides starting around 4 years old. And the little splash pad for the little ones are great too. They do have other pools around the Grand Floridian that are open longer hours, but this is really the pool you want to be at with little kids. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to check out all of my pros and cons videos of Disney resorts and look for the Grand Floridian one coming soon. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.